अमरीकी सदारती इंतखाबात में अर्ली वोटिंग अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंची। ह्यूस्टन के पोलिंग स्टेशंस खुसूसन मसाजिद और इस्लामिक सेंटर्स में कायम पोलिंग स्टेशंस पर वोटर्स का रश। इंतखाबी उम्मीदवारों के मुसलमान वोटों के हसूल के लिए मसाजिद और इस्लामिक सेंटर्स के दौरे। मुसलमान वोटर्स ने इस तारीखी इलेक्शन में रिकॉर्ड तादाद में अपने वोट कास्ट किए हैं। मुसलमानों के वोट अहम किरदार अदा करेंगे। बेयर क्रीक इस्लामिक सेंटर मुस्तफा मस्जिद में कायम पोलिंग स्टेशन के बाहर डेमोक्रेटिक उम्मीदवारों माइकल मोर, अलिका बैकी, ब्रिटनी मोर और जॉन रोजेंथो की न्यूज़ पाकिस्तान टीवी से गुफ्तगू।
Hello, this is Michael Moore. I'm running for Harris County Commissioner. This is a historic election. We're having so many people turn out. It's important that everybody get out and vote. The Muslim community has been turning out in record numbers. We need to celebrate the diversity we have in Harris County. You need to get your friends, your relatives, your co-workers, get them out to vote. Be part of the historic turnout. Come out and vote. Again, I'm Michael Moore, running for Harris County Commissioner, Democrat. I'd love to have your vote.
And I'm running for Texas House District 138. And I got in this race to make sure that we all have a voice when we go to office, that we have leaders in a place who listen to everyone in our community and who could make sure that everyone has a seat at the table. I started my career as a prosecutor, then I started doing defense of discrimination and civil rights work. I moved into working in our community doing pro bono work for those who needed it. And what I realized more than anything is that those of us, if we had people who prioritize people and power, we would get so much further. So I'm asking for your vote today and on November 3rd, Akila Basie for Texas House District 138. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. My name is Brittany Morris, and I am the Democratic nominee for the 333rd Civil District Court in Harris County. That is a county-wide position. It's the courthouse downtown at 201 Caroline. The Muslim vote can really change this election. By and large, the numbers are rising, and what we can do as a Muslim community is voice our vote. Your vote is your voice. So please come down and vote, and if you cannot make it today, November 3rd is voting day. Go out and vote. Exercise your voice. Your voice is your vote.
Hi there, my name is John Rosenthal. I'm the Texas State Representative for House District 135. So please come out and vote. It's so vital that the Muslim community comes. Your voice must be heard. And the way to be heard is for all of you to vote. So please come out and vote. Thank you so much for giving me this time.
Hi everyone, Amatullah here from Emgage. We're here at Bear Creek Islamic Center, Masjid al-Mustafa, and we're out here getting votes for our endorsed candidates like future state representative Akila Basie. And there have been efforts to suppress our vote and intimidate us, but we're not backing down. We're here, we're going to talk to every single voter and make sure they make their voice heard.